Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Chrome settings and going straight to Site Settings. This is where Chrome controls pop-ups. Once there, find pop-ups and redirects and set it to blocked. You do this because most nuisance windows come from redirects or permissive site permissions. Make sure to remove any allowed sites listed. That prevents repeat pop-ups from the same domain. If you use synced profiles, repeat or confirm on each device so changes propagate and you don't get surprises later. Next, inspect site-level permissions, notifications, JavaScript, and pop-ups. You should revoke allow for any unknown or suspicious domains because they often push ads or redirects. Once done, clear cookies and site data for those domains to remove stored tokens that re-enable pop-ups. If a site keeps reappearing, use reset permissions to wipe its settings and reload the page. Make sure to restart Chrome after major changes so background processes refresh and the new restrictions take effect. Finally, perform a cleanup. Disable extensions temporarily and re-enable them one at a time to isolate any that inject pop-ups. You should also run a trusted malware scan or Chrome's cleanup tool to remove hidden adware. If pop-ups persist, reset Chrome settings to default. This removes unwanted configuration while keeping bookmarks if you export them first. One troubleshooting tip: if pop-ups continue after reset, test in a new user profile. That tells you whether the issue is profile-specific or system-wide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.